What's up, guys? Welcome to this new video. Sorry for the outfit, but the video was made after the video where I show you the car modifications. So this thing will be for the introduction. So now I will show you the video of the car, of the modifications made. So I'll leave you to the video.
That I performed on the little Kaye. Now we have, as you can see right away, a beautiful direct intake cone filter from Forge. I don't know if you can see it from here, but there we have a direct downpipe, front pipe.
Following the slotted and drilled discs. Underneath, we have a beautiful free-flowing center, the Lil Stitch stickers, as you can see.
Various stickers.
But let's move on to other stuff. Its exhaust is still original because I need to change it. For the rest, I did the so-called Stage 2, which brings it to 170 horsepower. And that's it, guys. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, comment, leave a nice like, as these are all free things, but they help me a lot. And if you want, share the video with friends. Thanks, and see you next time.